Hi everyone and welcome in. It's a Monkey Mar. Before we get into today's video, please subscribe and like. So let's be the nosy detectives and let's get into Letecia Evil Stauchs' criminal history and her insane employment history. So let's start off with this employment history. So Letecia Stauchs worked as a part-time substitute teacher for 5 months in early 2019 for a Widefield school district and served as a full-time teacher at French Elementary School in Colorado Springs from August to December, according to the divorce filing. And all of you know that Al Stauch has filed for divorce. She was offered a job at Mountain Ridge Middle School in Academy District 20 and attended 3 days of orientation from January 22nd to January 24th. District spokeswoman Allison Cortez said, "The school district rescinded her employment after discovering strange inconsistencies in her job application and paperwork." Cortez said Letecia Stauchs failed to disclose that she'd previously lost her teaching license in another state and left out some of her past employment information. School officials were not able to contact Letecia Stauchs by phone. In the next couple of days, she was eventually notified of the decision in a letter that was mailed January 30th. Cortez was not sure if Letecia learned about her job loss some other way before Gannon went missing on January 27th, 2020. She did not show up for work after Friday, she said, but unfortunately, because of the investigation, I can't share further details about what was communicated to us from her. Letecia Stauchs' teaching license was suspended in South Carolina for 6 months in 2016 after authorities there found that she'd breached a contract in which she'd agreed to serve as a social studies teacher at a middle school. Letecia Stauchs attended a 5-day orientation in the first 2 days of school, but then abruptly stopped showing up, according to documents filed by the state's Board of Education, which determined the breach of contract warranted a suspension. Letecia also previously worked as a special education teacher, now that's scary, in Horry County schools in South Carolina. She started as a paraprofessional in 2010 and became a teacher in 2012. She resigned in 2015. In April 2016, she sued the school district alleging that an assistant principal subjected her to inappropriate sexual advances, comments, and gestures. According to the federal lawsuit, the school district and assistant principal denied the allegations, and the lawsuit was settled outside of court in 2017, the court records show. So she definitely has a shady background, and let's get into her shady criminal background. So let's get into Letecia Stauchs' criminal background, and I'm going to take it from criminal and driving. So the first one we have out of South Carolina, 5/27/2015. It was a seatbelt violation. On that same thing, she got a speeding 10 mile per hour or less over the speed limit. She got speeding more than 15 but less than 25 over the speed limit. Then we've got out of Horry County, November 19th, 2010, a criminal domestic violence, her first offense. Then she has the same criminal domestic violence offense, but that comes in 12/8, and that was when she went to court. Same criminal domestic violence first offense, and she got bond court. Same criminal domestic violence first offense. This is on December 8th, 2010. She got a misdemeanor class U. And then this is a not specified. And then we have out of Virginia, a 72-55 on 5/21/2003. And she was guilty, court level infraction. Another non-specified. Another non-specified. And then out of North Carolina, we have simple assault, affray principle. That's on April 11th, 2001. Let's see. And then on February 9th, 2001, communicating threats principle. Same one with the communicating threats. And then out of North Carolina, on authorization use of motor conveyance principle. Yeah, so that is her shady background, and then we get to put on all of these horrible stepmother charges against Gannon Stauchs. So this woman definitely has a shady past. So as I was finishing up this video, I ran into an article from yesterday, March 13th, 2020, and they're speaking about where they're searching for Gannon. And they said, we absolutely have to only go to the area where intelligence from this investigation has led us to search those efforts, said Sergeant Deborah Minot, the public information officer with the sheriff's office. Investigators were searching the area near Bradley Road and Marsh Ethel, east of Colorado Springs, for the majority of Thursday. It's very vast, and a lot of these areas, a lot of rough terrain, a lot of dangerous conditions in these areas, said Minot. Minot said any rumors of a coroner's van in the area is not related to the case. So did they see a coroner's van? Why would she even make that comment? Alright guys, I am going to dig a little deeper into Letecia Stauchs and these case numbers and see what else I can find. Alright guys, and let's take a ride out to Bradley Road and Mark Sheffel Road, Colorado Springs, Colorado. And let's check out this vast area. Yes, it is pretty vast. That's pretty scary how vast that is. I wonder what brought them there. I wonder what that is. Poor Gannon. Can we get down there? Let's see if we can go on this little road and go for a trip. Wow. That is insane how vast that is. So this is the intersection of Bradley Road and Mark Sheffel Road, the area that they were last searching on Thursday. Alright guys, well I pray that Gannon is found and Letecia will rot in jail for the rest of her life. And with that guys, it is a wrap. I want to thank you all for coming in. Please like or dislike, whichever you prefer, and subscribe, and have a good day or night. Stay vigilant.